This is the Tom and Jerry Kiddie by Cogan. Oh, and it's mute. Jerry's figure's missing. Tom's eyes don't have no eyes, he's blind. McMurdoch, you told us you accused you of SD delight mental SD jam. That's the front of it. Lights do work, flashing. It's Tom and Jerry logo. That's the back of it. It's mute. Just to play the Tom and Jerry theme song out loud. That was it. Lucky to see all these kiddie rides around this area in Portugal. That was the Tom and Jerry Chopper Kiddie Ride Motorbike by Cogan. Sighted at a pier always there. What's it called? Shaded area in Portugal. Albufeira by some near some hotshot bowling. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you give this video a like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed it. See you later then.